Yo, what up? Lawrence, IAmZiyah back out another video. This is the first one. Actually, I was here, as you can see, at a car show. This is a Klean Exhibition in Concord. They do this once a year, and today I want to do something a little bit different for this video. Still a photography video, I'm still going to be shooting, but I had to come back to my grounding, so to speak. Like, this is kind of where I started when shooting with people, was here in the car industry, and with Klean Exhibition coming back, I really kind of wanted to do something here. So as you can see, we've already kind of been around and got a little bit of stuff from Car Drugs behind us. You know, got my little swag. But yeah, that's enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into this B-roll. Let's go ahead and get to shoot. So we'll have a little bit of fun, all right? Let's go.
So it turns out Gabby showed up to the show as well. We ran into each other and we got some incredible photos. If you're not familiar with Gabby, here she is right here. We've done some amazing stuff. She's been in my live streams in the past with my editing. You can actually go check those out as well. And it's funny, we did actually record this intro before, but something happened with the mic and the audio was bad. So here I am with a voiceover.
Come one towards the gas tank for me, so I want to try to capture that plate.
We did manage to get some amazing shots in. Mark was so kind enough to let us use his car. Here's his Instagram right here. You should check out his cars. He has a R33, I believe, as well as his beautiful green beast that we got to shoot with.
Good. Kick your left foot out for me. Yeah.
And we did manage to shoot with another model as well. I didn't even know she was a model. I had spoke with her earlier today. We had chatted everything up, and then she walked by and she told me she was modeling, so we managed to get her in some shots too. They actually came out amazing, as you can see here, and we really knocked this thing out even with the limited time that we had.
So due to our time crunch, we couldn't get everything down, but we did manage to obviously shoot with Gabby. They got the Mark's car, the amazing Solus 86. Check out his Insta right here. These pictures were absolutely phenomenal, as you can see right here on the screen. But thank you guys for joining me in this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal. Every like helps. It's free. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Okay, so seriously, thank you guys for watching. And before I end this video, I would definitely like to give some major credit to Adobe for letting me in the podcast beta program. Using that software, I was definitely able to save some of the vocal audio. As you can see, it's still some minor ticking and some minor distortion in there, but it was a lot worse than that, trust me. But I managed to at least somewhat save it, so I just kind of want to get a little shout out before I end this video. So until next time, guys. Peace.